Hey guys, it's Remo and here's this week's update from our team. Keeping our theme going with our little story that we share. Today it's not about Camila, it's about our yard, right? And so what we recently did is we redid our backyard and we planted some plants. And so, I just spent about 10, 15 minutes watering the plants and I really taken up this hobby of gardening, believe it or not. And it brings us to this story. So what's important is if I don't water the garden, it doesn't grow, right? And in some cases, obviously, it dies, especially even though they're cactuses or succulents. They'll still die eventually if they're not being watered. So our story today is whatever it is that you really want to grow, you just got to make sure you continue to water. And that obviously could be time, your energy, and whatever it is. So whether it's health, family, loved ones, children, always water where you want to grow. So with that being said, let's get started. First, want to congratulate some new homeowners. We want to congratulate Guillermo and Gloria for getting their keys to their home in Norwalk. So congratulations. We want to share with you a few of the properties that we have coming to market. We have a new townhome that's coming in Bellflower. We have a 3-bedroom in Whittier that's coming up on the market. The property on Spyglass, which maybe by the time you watch this, it might already be in escrow. We have that vacant land where you can build your dream home. So we have a lot of, really neat properties. We have a couple other that, we're going to share next week once things get finalized. So we're excited. If you're thinking about maybe buying, maybe one of these properties might be the one for you. Now, if you're thinking about selling, obviously, it's probably never been a better time than now to sell. And the reason why is there's just nothing for sale. So with the low interest rates, it creates a lot of buyers. And obviously, if there's a lot of buyers and nothing to buy, whatever is on the market tends to go for a substantial amount. So with that being said, we want to say thank you again for your continued support. Again, make sure you continue to water where you want to grow. And we look forward to chatting with you soon.